The solution is made of water and pure orange. If 80% of the solution is water, how many liters of pure orange are in 25 liters of this solution? So gawan lang natin ito ng table or pwede nating isulat itong water tsaka yung orange. Water and then orange. So sabi sa problem, 80% of the solution is water. So ibig sabihin 80% yung water. So kung 80% ang water, ang orange ay 20% kasi ang total lagi niyan ay 100%. So ang sabi, how many liters of pure orange are in 25 liters of this solution? So 25 liters daw yung total. So kunin lang natin yung part ng orange. So ibig sabihin, 20% of 25 lang ito. So 20%, so pwedeng fraction ang gamitin natin. 20% is 20 over 100. I-multiply lang natin sa total na 25. So i-lowest term lang natin or by cancellation. So we have 125 both divisible by 25. So cancel this 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. Then ang natira na lang 20 divided by 4 that is equal to 5. So therefore ang orange ay 5 liters tapos yung water niyan ay 20. 20 plus 5 that is 25. So the correct answer is letter D, 5. Follow for more.